What's up, everyone? We are finally back with another video. Just been taking a little break from everything. I'm just thinking about what I want to do with this channel and all that. In this video, we're gonna do a little parts breakdown video of the car, of what we have on there and all that, because I do get a lot of questions of where did I get this, where did I get that. Even though I have videos for every single part. So if you want a more in-depth question of like where I got a certain part, you know what I'm saying, I'll link that video right like on top of the top right screen when I talk about that part. So yeah, so to begin, we'll start with exterior mods, I guess, because that's what most people are asking about. The biggest questions I do get are as of lately, it's been the aero kit. Of course, it gets windy as soon as I start talking, but yeah, so it's the aero kit. I have a front splitter custom made and a rear diffuser custom made by Contender on Instagram. Yeah, he makes custom aero kits for any car, and he did a fantastic job. It looks fantastic, it looks great. Yeah, I really love it. Link to the actual full video where I pick it up, it's top right. And up next we have the wheels. So the wheels I actually bought from a good friend named Dean. His Instagram is Mudda Media, the famous. Yeah, I got them off of him for a really good deal. So, and then I powder coated them with prestige metal coatings. Again, link to those videos will be in the top right. Yeah, and then what else do we have? The carbon mirror caps. This is like the newest part that I just got. These are done by Kaiser STI. They're basically just a molding on top of the original OEM caps, and they look fantastic. I love the way they look. Again, link is on the top right. What else? Not for like minor stuff, I guess. Well, the visors I have, they're AVS. They're from, I think I got them off of Ciramoto. Yeah, Ciramoto. And then so same with this one. This is a HIC visor off of Ciramoto. Oh, this is another big question we get. Oh, what is this? Tree sap. Nice, cool. The BM spec wing. This wing is discontinued. They no longer make it, so you can't get one off production from BM spec. You'll have to basically buy it off of someone, which is what I did. Well, actually, I didn't buy it. I actually ended up trading a buddy of mine for his OEM wing because he was getting rid of his car. So I got lucky, very lucky. Now for exhaust, we just have a catback K-Tune 3-inch exhaust. I love it. It sounds a little bit better than OEM, and it's not too loud. The drone is not that bad. I will say though, it did crack. I've only owned it for a couple months already, like almost a year, and tip did crack, and that's common in these. I just, wish it would last a little longer, but it doesn't affect it at all. What else? Oh yeah, we do have the shifter. That's an Acuity short shifter. I won't show you the inside because it's really dirty in there. It's not really dirty, but I really got it clean. Acuity short shifter feels like butter when you shift now. That's like probably one of my most favorite parts that I've gotten so far of the car. And next we have the side skirts. The side skirts are HFP, Honda Factory Performance. They're OEM. I ordered them off of like BK Honda parts, something like that. What else? Oh, I'm getting tired. Shoot, I mean, for you racers, I guess this tow hook is like, it's like an average tow hook. It's nothing crazy. It's not even bolted on right. Just have it on there for looks. The car is completely gutted from the back. From the back seats backwards. I am planning on getting a roll cage very soon. Well, I mean, not very soon, probably next year. I won't need it till I start building power. As for engine, this is where the fun part begins. Damn, it's been a minute since I cleaned this. All right, engine wise, we are pretty much stock. Nothing crazy at all. All I have is the K&N Typhoon intake. It's there. All it does is make pretty noises when you hit VTEC. But yeah, we got big plans for this. I just want a good, I just want my car to look good before I start modifying it. Yeah, I know. I'm originally a stance boy, so don't judge me. I should really clean that engine bay, Jesus Christ. What else? Oh yeah, and then the headlights. The headlights are OEM. Yes, they are. They're OEM. I just baked them and took the amber out. That's all it is. I prefer this look, completely white, over the freaking what are they called? Retrofit. Oh my goodness, I hate retrofits. They look so ricey. Retrofits are the ones that have the little LED strip going along. I really dislike those. Yeah, we have all white HIDs everywhere on the car. Oh yeah, and for suspension, I forget. We have the Godspeed Monomax. Yeah, Godspeed Monomax XX. They are fantastic. After installing them in May, they feel great. I have no issues at all whatsoever. And we do have the rear camber arms, the Godspeed ones also. They're spherical, I believe. That's what they're called. It just means that the bushings are made out of metal instead of rubber or whatever. Yeah, pretty much. I used to have a sound system, but I took it out because I hated it sliding around and everything. But that's pretty much it, honestly. I've gone pretty far with this car with how I want it in such a short time, and I have bigger plans. Yeah, I'm just grinding and getting there. And yeah. So other than that, that's about it for all the car parts on the car. There is pretty much nothing else. Oh yeah, the wheels are wrapped in Federals, but I'm not gonna give you my freaking specs. Go research. I've already said the specs of the wheels in previous videos, so go watch my previous videos. Go support the boy if you actually care about my specs. If you don't give a fuck, then fuck you. Get the fuck out of my channel, and I'm not gonna give you shit. It's possible that you've been watching me for quite a while. I've been doing YouTube since 2015. I've been mostly filming car events. I love doing it, and car films and all that. You can check them out. We just hit WeekFest 2019. We hit 1 million views on that, and I couldn't be any more proud of me and my friends. The ones who have helped me get there. But other than that, I've always wanted to build a car too, and here we are building my Honda, and I've always wanted to build an SI ever since my first video of the blue SI. Yeah, and originally I wanted an EM1, but now I have. But eventually I worked up and I finally got this FG4 by coincidence, and I wasn't planning on getting it. I just happened to find it, and we pulled the trigger and we got it, and You know, I thought of plans and plans and plans, and yeah, you know, here we are. And we're finally deciding what to do with the car, and yeah, I mean, but yeah, I appreciate everyone that watches my videos. Thank you so much. It honestly does support the channel. It supports me and my dreams of, you know, moving out and buying my mom a house. You know, that's the end goal out of everything. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, thank you so much if you've watched from the very beginning, or even now, you know what I'm saying? Thank you for watching and supporting now. You know, stay tuned. We got a lot of big things coming. And hit the subscribe button if you're, you know, just watching this right now. Hit the little bell to get notifications when I post. I'm not daily vlogging because I do got a 9 to 5 still, you know what I'm saying? But maybe one day we can change that and I could be doing this full time, which is, you know, a dream. That would be amazing. But regardless, you know, we still gonna put in that work, and we ain't gonna stop no matter how difficult it gets. You know what I'm saying? Shit looks like it might be, you know, amazing for some people, but to be honest, behind the doors, you never know what's going on. And you know, and I can vouch for that. You know what I'm saying? It's a hard life out there, and we just gotta find the right people to keep pushing with. So thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.